Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi, o anong oras nyo mang napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa oras na ito, ating pag-aralan is graphing iparabola. And, okay, I have now a Cartesian plane. In the Cartesian plane, we have to graph the parabola. So, if we have to locate the vertex, the focus, yan. And we have the axis of symmetry. Okay, so assuming that the vertex is located at h, k, no? Even the focus. Okay, this is the directrix. So, yung focus, the distance between the focus and the vertex is equal to the distance between the vertex and the directrix. Okay. Tapos ito ay the latus rectum. Okay. So, yung latus rectum, ang length niya ay 4p. O ibig sabihin, from the focus to the end of the latus rectum, yung distance yan ay doble ng distance from the focus to the vertex. And this is the parabola. Okay? So, at the any point Q, yung distance niyan from the focus is equal to the distance between that point to the directrix. Okay? So, yan. Yung kulay orange na yan ay the same distance. So, nilagyan po natin ng yung isang line. Okay? Na ibig sabihin, that is equal o equidistance. No? So, again, review the standard form of the equation of the parabola with vertex at h, k and the axis of symmetry parallel to the x-axis, opening to the left if p is less than 0 and opening to the right if p greater than 0. Of course, you have the equation and the parts of the parabola, the vertex, the focus, the latus rectum, the directrix. So, yun po yung mga formula niya. Okay? Kapag opening to the upward and down, okay? So, ito naman ang ating equation. And yan naman ang mga location ng vertex, the focus, the latus rectum, at saka directrix. Example 1. Sketch the graph of a parabola where the vertex at 2, 4 and focus at 0, 4. So, ang given natin, ang focus ay located at 0, 4 at ang vertex ay 2, 4 wherein h is 2 and k is 4. So, ayan po yung ating focus at ito naman ang ating vertex. Okay, since ito ay pahalang, yan, yung axis of symmetry niya is parallel to the x-axis. Okay. So, yung vertex at saka yung focus natin, so kapag ganun ang given, ang focus natin ay h plus p, k. And h plus p equals 0 since yun po yung x-coordinate ng focus. So, we have to find p. No? H natin ay 2. Ang p plus p equals 0. Therefore, p is negative 2. So, ibig sabihin yan, opening ang parabola natin to the left. Okay, papuntang negative, no? Papuntang kaliwa. Okay? So, p natin negative 2. Pero yung distance, positive po yan. Ha? Pero nilagay lang natin negative para alam natin na ito po ay papuntang kaliwa. Okay, the latus rectum are located at h plus p and k plus minus 2p. So, that is 2 minus 2 and 4 plus minus 2 times negative 2 yung p natin. Ayan, so 0, 4 plus minus negative 4. So, therefore, ang latus rectum natin located at 0, 0 and 0, 0, 8. Ang directrix ay located at x equals h minus p. So, therefore, x equals 2 minus negative 2. So, x equals 4. So, yun po location. So, ito pong latus rectum natin, ayan. So, 0, 08 sa ibabaw. Sa baba naman ay 0, 0. Ibig sabihin, origin yan. No? Ayan. Tapos, yan. So, yun yung ating parabola. Opening to the left. Ang direct, ayan, yung axis of symmetry. Ito yung ating directrix. Okay, nasa likod ng parabola. And that is x equals 4. No? So, yun yung ating directrix. Number 2, sketch the graph of a parabola where the vertex at negative 3, negative 1 and focus at negative 3, 5. So, focus in the vertex ang given. Ang h natin negative 3, ang k natin ay negative 1. Okay, so yun yung vertex, focus on the vertex. So, ito naman ay patayo, no? So, kapag ganon, yung ating focus ay h, k plus p. Kasi patayo po yung ating position. Yan. So, k plus p equals 5. Yun yung y-coordinate ng focus. So, k is negative 1 and p plus p equals 5. So, therefore, p equals 6. So, ito ay makita natin na ito ay opening upward. Okay? The focus, the vertex lies vertically, meaning the axis of symmetry parallel to the y-axis. So, and the parabola is opening upward because p is greater than 0. Okay? So, ang p natin ay 6. Ayan. So, yung ating axis of symmetry. So, latus rectum are h plus minus 2, 2p, k plus p. So, that is negative 3 plus minus 2 times 6, negative 1 plus 6. Okay, so therefore, that is negative 3 plus minus 12, 5, and 9, 5, at saka negative 15, 5. Yun po yung dalawang position ng latus rectum. Okay? Directrix naman ay located at y equals k minus p. So, ang k ay negative 1 minus p. So, negative 7. Y equals negative 7. So, sa baba po yan siya, no? So, yan yung latus rectum natin. Located at negative 15, 9, 5, at saka negative 15, 5. Okay? So, yun yung line connected, the latus rectum. Yan yung parabola natin, opening upward. And ang directrix natin nasa baba, no, sa y equals negative 7. So, yan, yung ating going down is yun yung ating axis of symmetry. Example 3, sketch the graph of parabola where the vertex at 1, negative 5, p equals 6, and the axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis. So, ayan, ang vertex ay 1, negative 5. So, fourth quadrant po ito. H equals 1, k is negative 5, p is 6. Axis of symmetry parallel to x-axis. Ayan. So, hindi po natin alam yung location ng focus. So, hanapin po natin si focus. Ang vertex is 1, negative 5, h, k. So, since axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis, then the focus and vertex lies horizontally. So, ibig sabihin, pa-horizontal din si focus. So, open to the right. Opening to the right kasi ang ating p, value, p natin is positive o greater than 0. So, that's the focus at h plus p, k. Yan. So, 1 plus 6 kasi yung ang h natin ay 1, ang p natin ay 6 at ang k ay negative 5. So 1 plus 6, negative 5. So therefore focus located at 7, negative 5. So ayan. So makita rin natin na ito ay opening to the right, no? Opening to the right. Okay? So, yung latus rectum ay located at h plus p and k, k plus minus 2p. So, that is 1 plus 6 at saka negative 5 plus minus 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So, 7, negative 5 plus minus 12. So, that is 7, 7 and 7, 17. Directrix natin located at x equals h minus p. X equals 1 minus 6. So, therefore, ang x natin ay located at negative 5. Ay yung ating directrix, no? X equals negative 5. So, So yan, latus rectum 7,7 at saka yung isa ay 7,7, negative 17. Yan. So yung parabola natin ay opening to the right. Okay, ito po yung directrix natin, nasa left side po siya. So x equals negative 5. Okay, ganun po mag-graph, no, ng ating parabola. Okay, so napakadali lang, no? Parang pang-elementary lang, no? So axis of symmetry natin, yun po yung line na nag-connect ng focus at saka ng ating vertex. Here is your activity for today. Yan, you have to sketch the graph. Yan, yung mga given po natin. So I hope you learned from this video. Nawa i-share nyo rin sa mga kaibigan, sa mga kakilala nyo, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon.